Hi, this is Mel, coming to you to share something that's very passionate on my heart, something that's been transformative for my family. We have been using doTERRA essential oils for the past few years, and I can't tell you how much they have helped my family overall with their health and wellness, and with mental and emotional support and immune support, all of it. It's just been huge. So I thought I would come to you today and bring you a little bit of what I use. Actually, it is the top 10 oils. It's the oils that I started out with when I first started, and yeah, I'm gonna share 10 oils in 10 minutes. So here we go. Ready? Let's get started. The first oil is lavender. Lavender smells amazing. It's all things calming. It's soothing to the nervous system. It acts like a natural antihistamine, so it's part of the allergy protocol. It's great. It's also anti-inflammatory and supports sleep or calming emotions. Okay, that's lavender. Next, we have lemon. Lemon is amazing. Lemon is all thing disinfecting, cleansing. You could put a couple drops in 8 ounces of water to support healthy gut health and to clean countertops. It works great as a Goo Gone. It's pretty versatile, and you can virtually clean with it and cook with it. It's amazing. Next, we have melaleuca, or tea tree oil. Tea tree is also very cleansing. It's antimicrobial, antifungal. It's great for toenail, fingernail health, scalp health. If you have children that attend school and lice breaks out there, you could place some lavender and melaleuca on their scalp and in their hair, and it'll keep the critters away. Okay, next we have oregano. Oregano is fabulous. Oregano acts like a natural antibiotic. It supports the immune system. It is a hot oil, so you have to be very careful with it. It could burn the skin, so you want to make sure you dilute it with a carrier oil. And what I mean by carrier oil, coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil. Any of those oils can help dilute oregano so you can apply it to the skin safely. And it also tastes great in a pot of chili. 1 drop, that's all you need. 1 drop in a big old pot of chili, and yum, so good. Next, we have frankincense. Frankincense is the king of oils. Frankincense actually penetrates the blood-brain barrier, so it is great for brain health, and it also helps with extreme headaches like migraines. When all else fails, use Frank. It's anti-inflammatory, helps with pain. It great for the skin, age spots. It will help lighten spots on the skin that you don't want around, and it's great for wrinkles too. Okay, next, peppermint. Peppermint is one of my favorite oils. It actually smells amazing. If you don't know, 1 drop of peppermint, of doTERRA peppermint, is the equivalent of 28 cups of peppermint tea. It's highly potent. So when we say a serving suggestion is 1 drop, we mean it. You only need 1 drop at the most. Great for bad breath, great for stomach upset, motion sickness. It helps open up sinuses. It also is great for headaches. You might have heard a little bit of something about that, but it because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it helps with pain. So it's great for muscles and joints. Next, we have our deep blue. Deep Blue is a combination of pure essential oils that help support the body's inflammatory response from a topical perspective. So if you have any kind of aches or pains, this would be a great tool to use, whether you just got done working out and your muscles are on point. This is a great thing to have in order to soothe those aching muscles and joints. Next, we have Digestion. Digestion is all things gut. All things gut. It's amazing. It smells kind of like black licorice to me. Contains anise and fennel. And what it does is it helps soothe any kind of upset stomach. And here's a little bit of TMI. If you are going too much, it'll help slow that down. If you need to go, it'll help with that too. So it's very powerful. Also helps with motion sickness, any kind of irregularity in the bowels will help with that as well. Just a great tool to have on hand. Next, we have Breathe. Breathe is our respiratory blend. Once again, it's a blend of essential oils all together that help with our respiratory support. So if you find that you are congested or having sinus issues, this is a great thing to have. You could place it on the front of your chest or on your chest, or you can diffuse it to help get the soothing effects of Breathe. A little known fact, I have several customers who use Breathe to help support anxious feelings. When they start to panic and they feel a tightness in their chest, they just open up the bottle and breathe it in, or they'll place a drop right here to help it open up that tightness so that they're not feeling all that stress right there. And then they're able to breathe, and it slows and takes away that panicked feeling. It's a great, great oil blend to have on hand. Last, we have On Guard. On Guard is our immune support blend. It is amazing. Its number one ingredient in here is clove. Clove actually helps support the immune system even better than blueberries. Its antioxidant level is virtually off the charts. It's huge. This also contains wild orange, rosemary, eucalyptus, and it's just so much goodness all in one bottle to help support the body with any kind of illness that you might be facing. It's a time for seasonal threats right now. A lot of people are walking around with a cold, sore throat. We're entering the flu season as well. This is a great support to your body. Place a drop on the bottom of your feet every day. It's going to help boost your immune system. Also, if you have a scratchy throat, because clove is very numbing, you can gargle with this and just take a shot glass with a little bit of water, put a drop in there, swish, gargle, and swallow, and you're going to feel that soothing effect on your throat. Those are the top 10 oils. Now, here's some points of reference. If the oil has a supplemental label on it, see that right there? A serving suggestion, that means you can take it internally. If it does not, say for example, our Breathe does not have a serving suggestion on there, you cannot take it internally, okay? It's pretty straightforward. Also, it's important because these oils are highly concentrated, you want to make sure that you use a carrier oil, like I mentioned earlier. Not all oils are hot oils. There's only a few of them, like oregano. But what you need to do, what's important is you need to use the carrier oil before you apply topically to the body. So 1 drop with maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of oil, or 1/2 teaspoon of carrier oil. Once again, those are grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, all of which are amazing for the skin anyway. What it does is it helps prepare the skin to receive the oil, and it will keep that oil localized in that spot too. So it helps eliminate some of the evaporation or flash point of that oil, or slows it down, okay? So anyway, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit my website or send me a message. I would love to help. Please stay tuned. There's going to be much more videos in the future. I love this format to be able to share with you all the things that I have learned and what our family has benefited from just by using these amazing oils. I hope you guys have a blessed day. It was great to be with you. Take care.